Hello everyone. Due to recent concerns with coronavirus, Google is providing access to a feature that allows distance learning for our students or large meetings with staff over a remote connection. You can easily set up an online meeting session with an appointment in your calendar. Create an appointment like normal. Select the details, but then click on Add Conference and choose Hangouts Meets. Notice it generates the information for you. When you receive the meeting reminder, you can click on the auto-generated meeting link. Now that you have the meet established, you can share your presentation and take advantage of the slides presentation features shown here. Security has been a high priority here in the Solution Center. Two-factor authentication is when you're asked to verify your identity. For example, during a login attempt, the service sends you a text message to a secondary device such as your phone and asks you to enter in a 6-digit code. It further verifies you are who you say you are. We strongly recommend that you enable two-factor authentication, especially where it involves financial transactions. Another recommendation is that you pick a strong password. Long passwords are strong passwords. Believe it or not, this password is not as secure as this password. So even though this password contains more numbers and symbols, the long one is in fact more secure. It basically is a sentence that you can easily type and remember, a passphrase, and include the spaces. Not only is it hard to guess, but it's easier to remember, so in theory, you won't need to write it down. You can visit this website to check the strength of your password, howsecureismypassword.net. Type in your current password. You might be surprised with what you find. Remember, stay paranoid and trust no one. Have a great day, y'all.